Welcome to the Practical AI Shortcut. Are you struggling to keep up with your daily tasks? In the next few minutes, we'll explore how AI can revolutionize your organization skills. Managing tasks effectively is crucial for maintaining our busy lives, whether you're a business owner, a service provider, or just trying to balance work and home life. First up, let's talk about Todoist. This AI-powered task manager helps you prioritize tasks seamlessly. Simply enter your tasks, and Todoist uses natural language processing to categorize and schedule them. For example, let's say you input finish project report by Friday and grocery shopping on Saturday. Todoist will remind you of tasks and their deadlines. All you need to do is follow the simplified schedule it creates for you. Next, we've got Trello with its automation features, perfect for visual learners. You can set up boards for different projects and let Trello's AI suggest deadlines and due dates. This will help keep your projects organized in one visual space. Lastly, let's discuss Google Assistant. Asking Google to remind you of tasks or to set up appointments streamlines your daily routines. Imagine saying, "Hey Google, remind me to submit the budget report at 3 p.m." and you're done. By implementing these AI tools, you can free up valuable time and reduce stress in your daily life. They're easy to use and can be customized to meet your specific needs, so you can focus more on what really matters. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe to the Practical AI Shortcut for more insights. Also, check out our matching article on Substack for an even deeper dive into these tools. Thanks for watching, and let's simplify our lives with AI.